Hello everyone, today I'd like to give you a quick unboxing of the T-Mobile Samsung Gravity TXT. In the front we have a nice little picture of the phone itself. On the side we have a T-Mobile logo with the Samsung Gravity TXT logo. Samsung on either side, and on the back what we have is um, the description and the functionality of the phone, and also what's included in the phone kit itself. So let's go ahead and open up the phone and see what's inside. Okay, so we have the phone itself to start over with. We're gonna put that to the side and take a look what's inside. Okay, starting off we have terms and conditions, return policy, limited warranty of the product itself. We have it in English and also in Spanish on the other side. To the side we have a health and safety and warranty guide to Gravity TXT, which is a start guide, and we also have a recycling program, a return slip from T-Mobile. And finally, hardware wise, we have the charger for the phone, which is a mini USB to charger itself. Okay. So this is a pretty long cable and very thin, so Samsung tend to have this for most of their new phones nowadays. Thin and long, very nice. Let's put it aside. Now let's look at the phone itself. So let's look at the phone itself. The phone itself has a 2.4 inch screen size in the front. It has a standard number pad in the front with call and off key, power key on either side, and you have two select buttons on top, and with also back button and a message button on the side. You have the speaker on top and the mic on the bottom here. And let's look at the sides. You have a camera button here. You have a USB charger port plus data here on the right hand side of the phone, and on the other side you have a volume rocker up and down here. On top you have a standard headphone jack, which also with the right accessory you can also be a mic and headphone combination set. So that's that. And if you turn the phone and flip it, you have a nice little keyboard. So this is a very nice feature. So if you're a texter, this will be very handy to use. And let's turn the phone and open the back, and also in the back you have a 2 megapixel camera with the speaker port. And you turn the phone to the bottom, and if you put your nail in there, you could open the back cover. Okay, and once in the back you see the camera, you see the battery. This is a 100 mAh battery, lithium ion rechargeable. You also got the SIM card slot, with also, once you open the back cover, you will have access to the micro SD slot. So you will have to open the cover for you to access. It's still on the side, but you're gonna have to open the cover up. Let's put the battery back. Put the cover back. Okay, now Few specs about the phone. The phone weighs about 3.95 ounce. The dimensions of the phone is 4.41 times 3.09 times 0.55 inches. So it's length times width times height. That's what I just stated. And also the phone's talk time is 6.5 hours. Battery standby time is 450 hours. And so this is not a 4G phone, this is a 3G phone. And also let's turn the phone off and let's look at how the interface are. You have to, let's see how long it takes for the phone to boot up. It took about 30 seconds, a little over 30 seconds for the phone to boot up completely. Not bad, not bad. As you can see, this is a 3G phone. This is the basic outline of the phone itself. And initially when I tried this phone, it was a little different than what I was used to. This is not a touch phone, as you can see, but it has a system of tiles. When you go into the main menu, let's go into the main menu by selecting the select button. So you can touch, there's no touching, there's no up and down because there's only select buttons on either side, back as highlighted, or the cancel or the phone button, and the select button in the front also. So but how the tiles work is that for you to select the tiles, you're gonna have to use the number. So the center tile will be 5, right? Then the browser tile will be 4. The call log tile will be 6, so on and so forth. So that's how you will connect to the different tiles. So if you want to go into settings, you press 7, right, and you're in settings. And if you want to scroll down, you go by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So depending on what you want, you press that number. If you want to go for more, if there's a 7th option, you gotta press the volume button down and you come to the 7th. So that's how you will maneuver through the phone settings. And also what you can do is, instead of using the numbers, you can also use this button in the center. This is a very interesting joystick. It's not your conventional joystick. It's let's say you slide your hand over that button and it moves up. So that's your scrolling. So you could go like this, you could go like this, and the selection will change. So there's no actual buttons, but you just slide your hand over through, and the direction you slide it is the direction the selection will go. I have tried the speakerphone. Let's see, let me show you how the speakerphone sounds. I'm gonna put it on speaker.
Welcome to your T-Mobile voicemail service. I will be helping you set up your voicemail in 3 easy steps. Creating a password.
Okay, so it's a pretty decently loud speakerphone and very clear. I haven't had any problems. So very nice with the voice. But anyway, thank you for watching this quick unboxing and review of the Samsung Gravity TXT.